we can add the repository classes in our Spring Boot application. This video is extension of my previous video. There I created the REST API. Okay, so here first I am going to add the repository dependency in my classes. So here what I am doing, I am adding one Spring Data JPA repository and S2 database. I am not going to use any databases like MySQL. This is the runtime databases, so this one I am using it. Okay, so in case of employee, so employee will first I need to check this project is okay. This project is not come up here, so I am replacing it for my dependency part. Okay, so now Spring Boot starter JPA. Okay, this is already there. So now I am going to add entity. Okay, and I also need to add the ID here because we need a unique ID, and this will be the generated value will be auto. So this will automatically generate one value. Okay, employee class is done. After that I am creating the repository classes. So for repository class I need one package that is called repository. Okay, in this package I am creating one of the interface. Okay, and interface name will be employee. That's it. And I am extending this class with JPA repository, and I am passing the employee object, and my ID will be type. Okay, and I am annotating this class is done. Okay, now this interface is able to operate for all the card operation. So after that I also need to go. Previously what I was doing, I was simply returning the manual object creation. This time I am creating the object of employee repository, and I am also going to create one of the constructor for the employee service, and I am going to do the auto where. Okay, so here I need get all the employee details, so I am removing that code, and I am using return, and this will be employee repository dot, I think method would be find all. That's it, enough. Get employee by ID. So I am also removing that part, and here what we are doing, return employee repository find by ID, and here I am passing the ID right now. So see here the return type will be the optional, so I am also updating my return type will be optional. Okay, so in this class I also need to go to the here, and I can use optional because we are overwriting that method, and done. So now we can see employee service implementation classes, this error is went away. And in case of controller I can also see this error, so I am going to employee controller, and here I will also return optional. I also need to import this optional, so that's it, and save. So now again I am going to the service classes. So this is the save employee part, so I am also removing this one, and I am using the return statement again. I am using the employee repository, and I will do save, and I will pass the entity employee. In case of delete also, I am also doing the same thing, employee repository dot delete. By id I am passing id here. That's it. So now let's try what my project is running perfectly or not. So I am going to run this project, and I am calling the debug. Okay. Now compilation is done, and now we are running this project. I think my project is running right now. So I am going to the service, and I am using the postman here. So what I am doing, I am calling the post here, and this will return me. Okay, here I use the breakpoint. I am removing this breakpoint here. All the breakpoint I am removing right now. Okay. That's it. So you can see here the object whatever I created. I am again calling with the updated name. Okay, not updated name, I am calling with different name. Okay, and I am calling the send. See, this was there. Now what I am doing, I am calling the get API with this detail. So see here, we have two detail is there right now, and if you want to get by id equal to 2, that time you can also see. If you want to pass id 1, then you can also see Himanshu right now, and if you want to delete the 2, so you can simply call this API and call it. That's it.